Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add voice changer to your audio on CapCut PC. Okay, here I have created a project on my CapCut PC, and as you can see that I have recorded my voice and I have added the recorded audio to my CapCut project. This is my audio, and we're going to add voice changer to this audio. So the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the audio until this option appear on your screen. Then since we want to add a voice changer, we can simply tap on voice changer. And there are three categories that we can use. We can use voice filters, voice characters, speech to song. And for example, I'm going to select voice character, and I'm going to select, wait guys, I'm going to try it one by one. And don't forget to download the voice effect before you use it, and you have to you should have internet connection to download
You and I will always be celebrating like two.
Okay, and I'm just going to use this one because this one has been downloaded.
Be celebrating like two cats.
Okay, and now the voice changer has been applied to my audio, and I'm going to show you the final result.
You and I will always be.
Okay, this is the original one, guys. I forgot to show you the original one.
You and I will always.
Okay, and this is after I apply a voice changer.
You and I will always be.
Alright guys, and that's how we can add voice changer to our audio on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.